Hey guys, welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. We're back out on the lake again looking for some big largemouth bass. We're going to be throwing some chatterbaits that we made, our custom RLDL custom chatterbaits. We're going to be dragging some soft plastics, maybe pitching some soft plastics. We're going to see what we do, what's working, what's not working. Feel that out throughout the day, so follow along and see what we do. Wrapping up, getting the Crescent Kayak all geared up and ready to roll. Let's go fishing. Fish on. Got one. Thank goodness. We got a bass. First fish of the day. We'll take it. Thanks, buddy. It came off of that. Thank you, fish. Hit the old speed crawl. Got him. Yes. Fish number 2. Thank you, fish. We're starting to figure out this crawl bite is okay. They're just having a hard time committing. Got him. No, not a bad fish. We'll take you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, fish. Pretty animal. Another decent fish. There we go. Got one. Another similar size, but hey, in the boat. Come here, baby. Come here. I'll put you back. Thank you. It's working. There we go. This actually is a decent fish. Oh wow, yep. Okay, we got one. Not a monster, but I don't want to lose her. It's only that much. Come here, baby. Thank you. Oh. Yes. Best fish of the day so far. Pretty animal. I'll take a quick measurement of her. Photo and get her back. $15. Yep, 15 on the money. Thanks, fish. That was good. Got him. There we go. All right, little guy, but we'll take him. Still on him. Still on him. Little guy, but we'll take him. All right, here we go. Fish on. Got one. Not a bad fish. We'll take him. Popped right off of that little pod over there. And this is gonna work. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We greatly appreciate it. If you haven't yet, pound that like button, drop us a comment, and subscribe to the channel, and also check out Reece Life Dad Life as well. We had a blast out here throwing that Zoom speed crawl on the Get the Net, the EWG Ned hook, that 1/8 ounce. It was the money for us. It unfortunately got really windy. It was really hard to control the boat. We could have got more fish out on the kayak, but that's just how the way things go. So on to the next adventure. So with that, thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you next time out on the water.